Dean Castle, located in Kilmarnock, is a historic fortress with roots tracing back to the 14th century. Originally known as Kilmarnock Castle, it was the ancestral home of the Boyd family. The castle's great keep and palace were constructed during the 14th and 15th centuries. Since then, the castle endured periods of decline, including a devastating fire in 1735, but was later restored in the 20th century. Today, Dean Castle is free to enter and stands as a cultural landmark, hosting a museum with artefacts and exhibits that highlight its rich heritage and the Boyd family legacy.